In this video, we'll create a simple Node web application. Let's get started. For writing the source code, you could use any text editor of your choice. I'll be using the Google Cloud Shell editor. You'll also need the Node runtime installed. We'll be using Node version 18. We activate our Cloud Shell. We create a new folder for our code, makedir hello-world-node. We then open editor. We will open our folder as a workspace. In our terminal, we created a new npm package with npm init-y. This creates a skeleton of a package.json. We see the name was set as hello-world-node. The entry point to our program was set to index.js, and the script has a placeholder test. We replace this with a start block, and we set this to node index.js. We'll create an index.js file. To handle web requests, we'll also be using Express. We install that with npm install express. This automatically sets the dependency block in our package.json file. In our index.js file, we write the following code. We start with an instance of Express. We create an instance of app. We create a get route to the default path of our application. We create a handler method that takes a request and a response. We start off by creating a friendly log message with console.log hello world received a request. We create a variable called target, which we get from the environmental variable with process.env.target. If target is not set, we set target to world. Finally, we respond back to our request with res.send. We send back hello, the variable target. We create a variable called port, which we also get from the environmental variable with process.env.port. If port is not set, we set it to 8080. Finally, we start the application with app.listen on port. We set a friendly log message with console.log hello world listening on port. With that, our application is complete. We can run the application with npm start. We'll see that hello world is listening on port 8080. We can test the application by running curl localhost 8080. We'll see that we get back hello world here. We also get back hello world received a request. That's it for this video. In the next video, we'll containerize the application.